You can hear the whine. I'll stand over here so you can hear the whine. You hear the humming sound. Listen, watch. It should be picking it up, the humming sound. Just like it used to. Still does that. It's the max performance. The only thing that changed was just the knob. But it's still the same. And on the badge it doesn't say high performance, but or max performance. It should not be required to hear it. You're listening for the humming sound. It only does it on medium. It doesn't do it on high or low, but it does on medium. If you recall last time when I had the older ones, it was like really loud. But this one is not as loud as it was. Or and there you go. It makes the humming sound just like I would hope it would. And it has the startup sound. Thanks for watching. More videos will come soon on this one. Lamont Man. And out. And be looking out for possibly the Air King 9220. I have two 12s. One 14, the original 14 with the original motor. And I have the 18-inch Air King, which is the 9218. But I've never had the 9220, so I might end up getting that or possibly getting the 9214 again because the other one, the motor was kind of jacked up on that. So it was still good enough to give to somebody else. So it's a possibility, but yeah, just be looking out for that. Looking out for those. All right, Lamont Man and out.